91% of Fiji's total landmass is Itoke land, and the Itoke Land Trust Board is managing these lands for the landowners. This has been the role of the board for the last 75 years. TLTB is a catalyst for development in Fiji. It aims to create more wealth for everyone, including landowners, tenants, investors, development partners, and government. And at the same time, we also want to be sustainable. Today, 191 employees are looking after about 39,000 leases in tourism, commerce, industries, agriculture, residential properties, and other leases for government, churches, sports facilities, and other infrastructural development. Our role is to lease Itoke lands, collect rent, and distribute them equally to the landowners and enforce lease conditions. We also reserve land for landowners' future use and de-reserve them for development purposes. This is in line with Pillar 6 of the People's Charter, which requires TLTB to make land accessible to all and support and facilitate national socio-economic development. The core of our team are graduates in areas of land management, real estate, valuation, land use, climate change, economics, accounting, finance, and management, spreading out to our regional offices in Suva, Lautoka, Nadi, and Lambasa. In Fiji, when you talk about development, you talk land, and 91% of those interests have to go through TLTB. Tokoriki Island Resort, which has been developed into an international 5-star resort, is on Itoke land, as well as the currently constructed Namosi Government Station, Pacific Energy's flagship Kunaya Service Station, the industrial subdivision in Vunoto, Lautoka, the Orthodox Greek Church in Saweni, Fulton College in Sambeto, the Dreketi No. 8 Highway in Vunolevu, the Vunindao and the Korovu Sporting Complex, and the new hydro in Taveuni. These are just some of our key activities in recent years. In agriculture, we also facilitate development for rice farming, dairy, sugarcane, and mixed crops. TLTB has also paid a lot of attention on the protection of the environment and is now actively involved in climate change, food security, REDD+, and conservation at one of the largest and rare forest deposits in the world at the Sovi Basin in the interior of Viti Levu. Our people are the most important asset. They remain at the forefront of all these developments, and we recognize them for their effort and dedication, as well as the support of their family members and friends.
Itoke land, our heritage, our future.